Setting and achieving financial goals can be your roadmap to financial success and freedom. But where do you start, and how do you ensure you stay on track? In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to set and achieve your financial goals, whether they're short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like building a retirement nest egg. Section 1. Understanding financial goals. First things first, what exactly are financial goals? Financial goals are specific objectives you want to achieve with your money. These can be categorized into 3 types. 1. Short-term goals, within 1 year. Examples include building an emergency fund or saving for a new gadget. 2. Mid-term goals, 1 to 5 years. This could be saving for a car, a wedding, or paying off debt. 3. Long-term goals, 5+ years. These are bigger ambitions, like buying a house or planning for retirement. Understanding the different types of financial goals will help you prioritize and allocate your resources effectively. Section 2. Setting smart financial goals. To increase the likelihood of achieving your goals, make sure they are smart, specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable. Have a way to track your progress. Achievable. Set realistic goals that are attainable. Relevant. Ensure the goal aligns with your life priorities. Time-bound. Set a deadline for when you want to achieve the goal. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," you could say, "I want to save $5,000 in 12 months for a down payment on a car." Section 3. Prioritizing your goals. With so many goals, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why prioritizing is key. Start by identifying which goals are most important to you. Is it paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a big purchase? Rank your goals based on urgency and importance, and focus on tackling the top priorities first. Section 4. Creating a budget to support your goals. A budget is your financial game plan. It's crucial to create a budget that aligns with your goals. Start by listing your income and essential expenses. Then allocate a portion of your income toward your financial goals. Make sure you're consistently contributing to your goals each month. Remember, even small contributions add up over time. Section 5. Automating your savings. One of the best ways to ensure you're consistently working towards your goals is by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. This way, you're paying yourself first before you even get a chance to spend that money elsewhere. Section 6. Monitoring and adjusting your goals. Life is unpredictable, and your financial goals might need to change as your circumstances do. Regularly review your progress and adjust your goals as needed. If you get a raise, for example, consider increasing your savings rate. If unexpected expenses arise, you might need to pause or reallocate funds temporarily. The key is to stay flexible and committed. Section 7. Staying motivated. Setting financial goals is just the beginning. Staying motivated is what will keep you on track. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep your spirits high. Whether it's hitting a savings milestone or paying off a chunk of debt, these victories are proof that you're moving in the right direction. Financial success doesn't happen overnight, but with clear goals and a solid plan, it's absolutely within your reach. Start today by setting your smart financial goals, and you'll be well on your way to achieving the financial future you've always dreamed of. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on managing your money wisely. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.